Hi, this is the Kantanka Onantefo. Today we are going to talk about the full specs of the Kantanka Onantefo. I am right here at the Kantanka assembling plant where I'm going to walk you through the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV. I just want to let you know that currently over here we have about 4 Kantanka Onantefo vehicles at the assembling plant and 3 at the Kantanka automobile showroom. So as we speak, we just have 7 vehicles, so 7 Kantanka Onantefo, which is in blue, red, white, and also gray. I just want you to, pay attention, listen to the specs, and make a move right now. So this is the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV, like I said. It comes with an engine capacity of 2.0. Yes, an engine capacity of 2.0. This is an 8-speed automatic transmission vehicle. Yes, an 8-speed automatic transmission vehicle. Kantanka Onantefo has 4 driving modes. That is the Eco, we have the Sport, we have the Normal, and we have the Slow. It means that if you want to go, in the sport mode, this vehicle has that feature. Normal mode, it has no, and the same applies to the Eco as well. Kantanka Onantefo has a torque, that is a powerful torque of 385 Nm, that is between 1,800 and 3,600 RPM. Onantefo 7-seater SUV has a maximum speed of 285 kilometers per hour. Yes, 285 kilometers per hour. With regards to its fuel tank, it has a fuel tank of 58 liters. Yes, 58 good liters. We'll be getting inside the car very soon. But there is one thing that I would want you to understand. One of the things that people would consider when buying a car is the safety features of the vehicle. Kantanka Onantefo comes with several advanced safety features. These include the 360 panoramic view, the trip recorder, the airbags, the reverse sensors, the reverse voice in every Kantanka vehicle. So I'm going to walk you through. This thing you are seeing is the 360 camera. This is the front view of the 360 camera. So the 360 camera cuts across the vehicle. We have the side and side 360 camera, and we have the rear view. So come with me. I want you to see the first side. So this is one side of the 360 view. This is one side, just like what you've seen on the screen. Come. I like the way you are following me. I like the way you would want to see everything about this car. Yes, I'm going to show you. And this is the rear view of the 360 camera, just like what you've seen. This is the rear view. So everything they are doing is at the Kantanka assembling plant where the cars are being assembled. And this is the one side view. Yes, this is another side view of the 360 camera. So the 360 camera helps you see your back, that is the rear side, the front side, the side and side, like all around the vehicle. So, like I said, I just want to show you the trip recorder. This is the trip recorder. This side is where you insert a chip, or a chip that will give to you when you buy this vehicle. So you insert the chip that would actually record everything that would happen on the road. Any incident that happens on the road, this is what is going to happen. So over here is the airbags. So this vehicle also comes with airbags, just like what you're saying. It comes with airbags. And the normal safety feature, which is, yes, every car has this, the safety belt. Every car has this, the safety belt. Now we are going to check out the reverse sensors for you to see how this vehicle works. So come with me. So these dots that you are seeing are the reverse sensors of the Kantanka Onantefo. If the car is getting close to any object, there is going to be a beeping sound that is going to, you are going to hear in the car to alert you that there is something or there is an object that you are getting close to. So you need to be very, safe, or you need to be very cautious of yourself. So that is the reverse sensor. And we have the that is the reverse voice in every Kantanka vehicle. I'm going to display that for you to check it out. So come with me. So for the reverse voice, it is regulated. So you either put it on or you put it off. So we've actually put it off. Now we want to put it on. So we are going to display it for you to check it out. So this is how the reverse voice works. Yes. Okay. Yanko, yanko, ichi. So the voice you are listening to is the reverse voice. Aha. So guys, we are going to talk about the infotainment system of this vehicle. This screen that you are seeing is touch. Yes, it is a touch screen. Now, I just want us to talk about, I want to start with the air conditioner. So, yes. So this is the air conditioner. You see this plus and minus sign over here. The more plus, let me go back, sorry. The more plus you put on, it means that you want the vehicle is actually going to be hot. But if you put it or if you actually lower it, it is going to give you a very cool temperature. What you are seeing over here, it means that you want the it means that this with this side, it means that you want the air to come close to you, or you want the air to blow right on you. And with this one, it means that the air condition is going to blow your leg and as well as the whole human body. That is exactly what you're seeing with the diagram that you are seeing. That is exactly what it explains. And with this, it means with this diagram, it means that you want the air condition to blow just your leg, just like what you see. You can see some form of air blowing the person's leg over here. So exactly what you're seeing on the screen. And this one is going to blow your leg and as well as the screen. So you can tell from here that there is a direction towards the screen. There is a direction here towards the windscreen. That is exactly what you're saying over here. Now I spoke to you about a 360 panoramic view, right? Now this is the 360 panoramic view. Over here, this is the rear side and this is the front side. So you can tell from the screen, this is our front side, this is the rear side behind us, and this is the left side of the 360 panoramic view, and this is the right side. But for you to get the whole view clearly, this is where you are going to press just for you to see the whole view or for you to get the whole view clearly. Exactly what you're seeing on the screen. This one, it captures your front, your left side, your right side, and also the rear side. This vehicle comes with a sunroof. Yes, exactly what you're saying. So it comes with a sunroof. So if you're a politician or if you're someone who would go on campaign trail, you would want natural air. You have a sunroof where you can open the vehicle to receive. To receive natural air. Now, for a politician like me, I just come like this. Show me. So I want them to see me. Yes, for a politician like me, I come here. I'm like, oh. So if I'm Shatawale, I'll be here and I'll be, throwing money, more money, more money. If I'm a politician too, I'll just be waving people. Yeah, Charlie. Yeah, this is me. So this vehicle, comes with a sunroof. You should get one for yourself. Trust me, you should get one for yourself. So it comes with a sunroof. The speakers of the vehicle, yes, of the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV, how the sounds of the speaker, a sound in our ears. So let's check it out. So in case you are traveling and you are using your phone and your phone goes slow, what are you going to do? There are USB ports that you can charge your phone with. Also, come and let's check it out. So there are two USB ports over here. Is for this is a USB port that you can use to charge your phone, and you can also place pen drive over here. And over here is the multi USB port. Let me check. So that is exactly what you're saying over here. So let's go outside and talk about the price of this vehicle. Come with me. So we are done with the review of the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV. Yes, the 7-seater SUV. We are done with the full review. I know the question that you're asking is, Kojo, how much is this vehicle going for? It is going for a cool 428,000 Ghana cedis. Initially, this vehicle was 528,000 Ghana cedis. There's been a reduction of 100,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, 100,000 Ghana cedis. If you need this vehicle, kindly call the Kantanka Automobile Showroom on 0242037429. Remember, we are left with just 7 of the Kantanka Onantefo. We have the blue color, we have the red color, we have the white color, and we also have the gray color. Which color do you want? It is absolutely up to you. Just call us or just text us and let's have a conversation. If you call the Kantanka Automobile Showroom and you're unable to reach them, why not? You can actually reach out to me on my WhatsApp line. That is 0547462581, just like I've always been saying in my videos. So call me and let's do everything. Remember, people have this perception that Kantanka cars, you would have to pay an additional duty after buying the car. I just want to state that in this video that it is not true. There are no additional charges. Kantanka cars are duty free. We also do registration for you, and you have 3 years warranty for factory defects, 3 good years warranty for factory defects. And remember also, your first servicing Kantanka is going to do is for you for free. What else or what more do you want? This is not just any car, this is our car. If this was your very first time chancing my video, please do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Kojo Safo Studios. I love you so much. Bye.